Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you my 5 favorites decor items that I usually use to make a space looks elegant and contemporary. If you're new here, I'm Zahira Kuri, architect and interior designer, founder of D.Signers. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos and to be part of this channel and design community. You know that I love knowing your personal taste, so don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know which of these decor items are your favorites. Let's get started. My first favorite element is pendant lamps. Adding a pendant light to a room will enhance its aesthetic. It can really help transform the room into one of elegance. It's also a functional piece because it creates the general lighting layer of a space. Introducing a pendant lamp into your kitchen island, dining room, or living room is an excellent way to add focal points to create emphasis in specific areas and to make it pop. Also, it will serve to enforce the style that you are looking for. At the time of selecting your lighting fixtures, first think about the design styles that you are using at home. Incorporate one that you like and create a sense of cohesion with all the other elements around. My second favorite is an accent chair. Any chair with an interesting shape and color that will add an impact will immediately elevate the space. I personally love accent chairs because it's a great way to add a pop of color, texture, contrast, or to break the monotony of space in an easy way. In contemporary and elegant spaces, we see how different pieces of furniture are combined. Combining a sofa with an accent chair that makes it contrast in shape or color is much more interesting than choosing to buy complete furniture sets, because this makes the composition look more elegant, versatile, and planned. So if you want to add more visual interest to your living room, think outside the box and find pieces that stick to your style and bring authenticity to your composition. There are many options of accent chairs in different styles, colors, and shapes. However, something that they all have in common is that they are perfect to complement and to create balance, contrast, or emphasize an area in any space composition. If you're looking for an accent color, check my video about the top 5 trendy colors of 2020. I'm sure it will inspire you. My next favorite item are fresh flowers and greenery. There is nothing more delicate and elegant than having a bunch of fresh flowers and greenery that provide not only texture and color, but also a scent that will elevate our perception of space, enchanting our sense of smell. Some favorites to add an elegant look and smell are orchids, lavender, eucalyptus, and gardenia. Include a bunch in your coffee table, in your dining room, bathroom, entryway, or in any place that you want to add a touch of elegance, color, or a divine natural smell. Details are not details. They make the design. It's a quote said by designer Charles Eames that I love so much because details have the capability of changing the perception and elevating the appearance of any space. So my next favorite is hardware. Include interesting hardware and add a touch of modernity in your kitchen, doors, cabinet, bathrooms, and so on. In the market, there are a lot of finishes like matte finishes, rose gold, gold brass, black finishes, among others, that can adapt to your home style. This will immediately help enhance the appearance of your whole home. The best part is that it's easy to change and can be an excellent way to freshen up your space a little without a big investment needed. By the way, I have a very interesting video about common interior design mistakes that affects beauty and the elegance of a space. It will be very useful if you are looking to improve the general appearance of your home. So check out this video right here. A mirror is more than an element for showing your own reflection. A mirror can stand out in any room. Strategically placed, it can enhance a room decoratively, bring more light, and give the illusion of a more spacious and elegant room. You can feel that space has more flow because mirrors create a kind of continuity. Apart from those effects, a bold mirror is a good way to create a focal point and to add a decor piece that can complement and enhance the overall appearance of your space. Include a mirror that adds some interest by its authentic shape or scale, like a round mirror, a floor-to-ceiling mirror with a bold frame, or with LED lighting behind. Just be creative and don't be afraid to use more than one mirror in the different parts at home. What's your favorite item? Please share it with me in a comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you liked this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to join our design community. Follow me on Instagram for daily inspiration and to get in touch. Have a beautiful week. See you next time.